Did you know that landslides move at speeds faster than you can imagine, or that they can carry entire forests with them? Today, we're diving into the incredible power of landslides and some shocking facts that might make you see mountains and hillsides in a whole new way. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know essential tips to keep yourself and your loved ones safe. Fact 1. Landslides can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour, 320 kilometers per hour. When water, soil, and debris start moving down a slope, they gain incredible momentum, making it almost impossible to outrun. Fact 2. Landslides are among the most destructive natural disasters worldwide, causing billions of dollars in damages and thousands of deaths each year. In fact, landslides and avalanches claim more lives each year than earthquakes in some regions. Fact 3. Most landslides are triggered by a combination of heavy rainfall, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and human activities like deforestation and construction. All of these factors contribute to making a slope less stable. Question: how much rainfall do you think it takes to cause a landslide? Answer: even a short, intense rainstorm can trigger a landslide, especially in areas with loose soil and steep slopes. Just a few inches of rain within a few hours can be enough to cause one. Fact 4. The largest landslide recorded in modern history is the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens in the USA, which sent 2.8 billion cubic meters of rock and soil tumbling down the mountain. Fact 5. Landslides don't just happen on land. Underwater landslides, known as submarine landslides, occur on the ocean floor and can trigger devastating tsunamis. One notable example is the 1929 Grand Banks landslide off Canada, which generated a tsunami that affected North American coastlines. Fact 6. The Himalayas, the Andes, and the Alps are some of the regions most prone to landslides due to their steep slopes and regular seismic activity. Ever wondered what makes landslides so unstoppable once they start? Or why some landslides are more dangerous than others? Let's explore even more fascinating facts about landslides and what makes them so unpredictable. Fact 7. Landslides can be as shallow as a few meters or as deep as hundreds of meters. Deep-seated landslides involve large volumes of rock and soil, making them far more powerful and long-lasting compared to shallow landslides. Fact 8. Mudflows, a type of landslide, are one of the fastest and most dangerous types. When saturated soil mixes with water, it forms a mudflow that can sweep away almost anything in its path, from trees to buildings and even vehicles. Question: can you guess what the difference is between a landslide and a rockfall? Answer: rockfalls involve large rocks or boulders falling from a cliff, while landslides generally refer to the movement of soil, rocks, and debris down a slope. Fact 9. Landslides create their own hazards. After a landslide, rivers may become blocked, leading to the formation of natural dams. When these dams break, they can cause downstream flooding, which can be as dangerous as the initial landslide. Fact 10. Landslides aren't always sudden. Some slow-moving landslides can take days, weeks, or even years to reach the bottom. Known as creep, this gradual movement can still cause serious damage to infrastructure and homes. Fact 11. Approximately 15% of the world's population lives in areas at high risk of landslides. This is largely because many communities settle in mountainous regions or near steep slopes. Fact 12. Human activities like mining, road construction, and deforestation increase landslide risks by weakening the structure of slopes, making it easier for soil and rock to shift. Reducing these activities can help mitigate the risk of landslides. Now that you know the powerful forces behind landslides, let's talk about something just as important: how to stay prepared. Knowing what to do before, during, and after a landslide can save lives, and it's simpler than you might think. Preparation. Tip 1. If you live in a landslide-prone area, pay attention to warning signs such as changes in water flow patterns, cracks appearing in the ground or walls, and doors or windows that jam for no reason. These could be indicators of ground movement. Preparation. Tip 2. Keep an emergency kit ready with essentials like water, food, first aid, a flashlight, and a whistle. In case you need to evacuate quickly, this kit can be a lifesaver. Question: do you know the best place to go during a landslide? Answer: if you're indoors, the safest place is the highest floor of a sturdy building. If you're outdoors, try to move to higher ground away from the landslide path. Preparation. Tip 3. Have an evacuation plan. Familiarize yourself with escape routes and stay informed about local emergency services. Know where to go if evacuation becomes necessary. Preparation. Tip 4. If you're driving during a landslide, avoid low-lying areas and stay away from rivers or streams. Flooding often accompanies landslides, and low areas can become dangerous traps. Preparation. Tip 5. After a landslide, stay away from the affected area until authorities declare it safe. Landslides can destabilize the area, and secondary slides can happen, especially if rain continues. Did you learn something new about landslides today? Share it with us in the comments below. And let's keep the conversation going on how we can be prepared for nature's surprises. Landslides may be powerful, but with the right knowledge, we can stay prepared and protect ourselves. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-saving facts. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content.